Lagos Rivers begin VAT collection. Federal government and North disagree. The government of Lagos and Rivers State has expressed their readiness to begin the collection of value-added tax in accordance with the judgment of a federal high court in Port Harcourt, which ruled that states and not the Federal Inland Revenue Service should be collecting VAT and personal income tax. Already, the Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike, has signed into law the bill that empowers the state to collect VAT, while the Lagos State Government said it has already notified all the stakeholders involved in the payment and receipt of VAT of its resolve to enforce the judgment to the letter. This is in spite of the opposition by the FIRS, which already filed an appeal against the judgment, and some northern states who said they prefer the federal government to continue collecting the tax. $2 billion tax remittance. Federal government says MTN has payment plan with FIRS. Telecommunications company MTN has a payment plan with the Federal Inland Revenue Service to pay the tax remittance of $2 billion. Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, said this on Friday in Abuja. According to reports, the Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, on January 8, 2020, withdrew a $2 billion tax demand against the telcos company. The company also announced it responded to the federal government's call for public-private partnerships as part of its tax remittance in August. The partnership included the rehabilitation of critical roads infrastructure in Nigeria, which involved the reconstruction of the Onitsha-Enugu Expressway. The minister said MTN is owing the government, but there has been a payment plan undertaken with the Federal Inland Revenue Service they are following. Price hike, dealers urge repeal of import tax on cooking gas. Some dealers in liquefied petroleum gas, otherwise called cooking gas in Nsukka, have blamed its price hike on the reintroduction of import tax on the commodity. Those who spoke on the development in Nsukka on Thursday urged the federal government to repeal the tax law. They said that removing the tax was the only measure that would bring down the retail price of the commodity in the country. Mr. Emma Ani said, "We know that over 60% of cooking gas in the country is imported. The importers will add value-added tax to the cost of importation and other expenses. Today, because of VAT, 6 kg is refilled between 3,200 and 3,400, while 12.5 kg cost about 6,250 and 6,350, as opposed to 3,500 and 3,800 sold last year," he said.